Suzuki has lived up to its promise to reveal the Jimny off-roader in full on July 5th, and now we are happy to share all the technical info about the vehicle. We know you are excited about what will power it, so, without further ado, here are the details. For the European market, the cute SUV is getting a new 1.5-liter gasoline engine, replacing the old 1.3-liter unit. The Japanese manufacturer claims it delivers higher torque levels at virtually across the whole RPM range, especially at low revolutions, enhancing driving performance especially while driving off-road. Despite its increased displacement, the new motor is 15% lighter than its predecessor and is significantly more efficient. Power from the ICE is delivered to all four wheels thanks to Suzuki's Grip Pro AWD system, claimed to be designed for professionals. It's a part-time 4WD system with a low-range transfer gear and 3 driving modes, 2H, 2WD high gear, 4H, 4WD high gear, and 4 liters, 4WD low gear, easily switchable by a shift lever directly connected to the transfer gear. The all-wheel drive is supported by a brake LSD traction control, which applies brake power to the slipping wheel when required. Naturally, the new Jimny continues to ride on the ladder frame structure, but it is equipped with additional suspension components for increased torsional rigidity. A revised rear suspension layout allows for impressive approach angle of 37 degrees, ramp breakover angle of 28 degrees, and departure angle of 49 degrees. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.